Hi, this is Chelsea from Ref and Write. In this video, we will look at the Harvard referencing style. The Harvard referencing system is widely used in UK universities. Let's look at some examples. In this example, we are stating that the most effective approach to treat obesity is to cut food intake. This idea comes from a paper published by John Smith in 2003. We are citing the source at the end of the sentence. If you're citing the source at the end of the sentence, you should include the author's surname and the year of publication in brackets. Another option is to integrate the citation naturally into the sentence. For instance, you could write, Smith, 2003, proposed a simple approach to treat obesity. In this format, the author's surname appears outside the brackets, while the year stays inside. If the source has two authors, you can include both authors' surnames followed by the year of publication. For example, Smith and Jones, 2003. The same format applies to three authors, for example, Smith, Jones, and Williams, 2003. If the source has four or more authors, you must include the surname of the first author followed by et al., which means and others. For example, Smith et al., 2003. If you need to cite multiple sources simultaneously, you must separate them with a semicolon. In this example, we are citing three papers at the same point in the text, so we have used a semicolon to separate them. If you are dealing with multiple papers published by the same author in the same year, you can differentiate them by adding letters after the year. In this example, we have three publications by the author Jones from 2014. We have differentiated the sources by adding the letters A, B, and C. If you are making a direct quote from a source, you must enclose the text in quotation marks. In this example, we have used unaltered text from a paper. So, we have enclosed the text in quotes, and while citing the source, we have included the page number. You must include a bibliography or a reference list at the end of your paper. Here is an example bibliography formatted in Harvard style. You must list all the sources in the reference list, and it should be arranged alphabetically by the author's last name. The bibliography contains a journal, a book, a website, and a conference proceeding. Notice how the formatting differs depending on the type of source. We highly recommend using a bibliography software to format your references. This will save you a lot of time and keep your formatting consistent. If you have any questions, please drop a message below. We will answer it as soon as possible. If you still haven't installed Ref and Write software, please do it. It comes with referencing tools, plagiarism checkers, proofreading tools, paraphrasing tools, an academic phrase bank, and many other useful features to help you write your research papers and thesis. You can sign up for free using the link below in the description. If you are interested in training courses on research and academic writing, please visit our Learning Academy on Udemy. You can find the link in the description below. Finally, please subscribe to our channel to get future updates. Bye for now.